Hi, hello, namaste. My name is Krishna Reddy. Today I want to discuss with you trigonometry super shortcut trick solution within 10 seconds, useful for all competitive exams and board exams. Super shortcut tips, tricks, solution especially made for you. Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends. My name is Krishna Reddy. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you trigonometry super shortcut trick solution within 10 seconds especially made for you. Today our question is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 180, then find the value of cos square a minus cos square b minus cos square c by using the given four options. So super shortcut tips tricks solution is, substitute a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 60 degrees. You can verify a b c 60 plus 60 120, 120 plus 60 180. Verified. You can take given value. Given value is cos square a minus cos square b minus cos square c. Substitute a b c values here. We get cos square 60 minus cos square 60 minus cos square 60 plus cos square 60 minus cos square 60 get cancelled. Remaining value is minus cos square 60 equal to minus cos 60 value 1 by 2 whole square is equal to minus, as it is 1 square is 1 divided by 2 square is 4. According to the given question, value is minus 1 by 4. So given question is cos square a minus cos square b minus cos square c value, we are getting minus 1 by 4. Next our step is option verification method. You can verify option verification method. Option a is 2 cos a sin b sin c minus 1 is equal to 2 into cos a value 60 sin b value 60 sin c value 60 minus 1 is equal to 2 into cos 60 1 by 2 sin 60 root 3 by 2 sin 60 root 3 by 2 minus 1. Numerator and denominator same value, 2 to get cancelled. Remaining value root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 2 2s are 4 minus 1. Already I told you previously, either any question, any two values between, if you have either plus or minus symbol, you can go through LCM. Here LCM value is 4, numerator 3 as it is, after that minus, next cross multiply, 4 ones are 4. So already I told you previous questions, small number minus big number is minus 3 minus 4 is minus 1 by 4. So option A is matching into the given question answer. Already I told you previously, you can go through all options, you can verify. So option B is getting same value or not, you can verify it. Option B is 2 sin A cos B sin C minus 1 is equal to 2 into sin A value 60 cos B value 60 into sin C value 60 minus 1. Small normal simplification, you can get 2 into sin 60 root 3 by 2 cos 60 1 by 2 sin 60 root 3 by 2 minus 1. Numerator and denominator 2 to get cancelled. Remaining root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by denominator 2 2s are 4 minus 1. Already I told you, not only this question, you can learn concept. If you know concept, you will get answer easily. So any two values between either plus or minus, you can go through LCM. Here LCM is 4, numerator 3 as it is, after that symbol minus, cross multiplication, 4 ones are 4. Small number minus big number is minus symbol, 3 minus 4 is minus 1 by 4. Option B is also matching to that given question value. Anyhow, you can go through remaining options also. Option C is 2 sin A sin B cos C minus 1 is equal to 2 into sin A value 60, sin B value 60, cos C value 60 minus 1 is equal to 2 into sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2 minus 1. Numerator, denominator 2 get cancelled. Remaining value is numerator root 3 into root 3 3 divided by denominator 2 2s are 4 minus 1. Already I told you previously, any two values between either plus or minus, if you have, you can go to take LCM. Here 4 is LCM, numerator 3 as it is, after that symbol minus, next cross multiplication, 4 ones are 4. Small number minus big number is minus symbol. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 by 4. It is also matching to that given question answer. Next at the last option D. Option D is 2 sin A sin B sin C minus 1 is equal to 2 into sin A value 60, sin B value 60, sin C value 60 minus 1 is equal to 2 into sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2 minus 1. Normal simplification, numerator and denominator same value 2 get cancelled. After that remaining value root 3 into root 3 is 3 and one more root 3 is there, by denominator 2 2s are 4 minus 1. Already I told you previously, any two values between either plus or minus is there, you can go through LCM. So here LCM is 4, numerator value 3 root 3 as it is, after that symbol as it is, take cross multiplication, 4 ones are 4. So it is not matching to that given question answer. So you are having here given question answer is minus 1 by 4, option A, option B, option C also you are getting same value. So at this situation you can go through my logic. You can take option verification method or logic also. Logic means you may get answer very short period. So given question value is cos square A minus cos square B minus cos square C. While you are taking logic, you can see that question is having only one minus symbol or more than one minus symbol. So here you are having two values minus symbol. So logic means you can take a minus common. After taking minus common, remaining value is minus cos A plus cos square B plus cos square C. Now you can check it, only one term is having negative symbol. So like this value, only one value is having, you can take logic. What is that logic? As it is minus common, after that minus cos square A means you can take in that place of cos square A, you can write it cos. Remaining two values you can verify it. Cos square B and cos square C is having positive symbol. So you can write as it is only sin B sin C. So according to the given four options you are having, 2 is common. After that so minus means after that minus 1. So here you are having, after that you can write it here minus symbol, here plus symbol 1. So you can write it as it is, minus multiply inside is equal to, you can get minus of minus plus 2 into cos A sin B sin C plus into minus minus 1. You can write directly also while you are having minus outside. Don't see minus. According to the given four options, first minus cos square A means first option cos A is there or not there. Remaining two options, sin is there or not there. So first option is cos A, only that is option A. Option A is matching, so it is related to option A. So the correct answer is option ये. So like this type of difficult answer, difficult means more than one or two answers you are getting same answer, you can go through my logic. While you are having any question, two minus symbols, take minus outside. After that you will get only one minus symbol. After that you can verify my logic. Minus symbol is means here related to this question, minus cos square a, you can write minus 2 cos a, remaining 2 are positive, sin b sin c, after that plus 1. So minus multiply inside, you will get related to option. It is to save your time. I am telling you logic, you are saving your time. So if you are having any other shortcut method, you can go through like that also. But option verification method, some problems are getting two options similar, but maximum questions are getting option verification method in short period. While you are having similar value two options, you can go through my logic to confirmation for that question value same answer. Thank you my dear friends. టు గెట్ సక్సెస్, ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ నీడ్, ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ డీడ్. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో. ఇఫ్ యూ సాటిస్ఫై విత్ మై ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్, ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ ఛానల్, సపోర్ట్ విత్ అస్, షేర్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, లైక్, కమెంట్ టు దిస్ వీడియో. థ్యాంక్ యూ. సబ్కా మాలిక్ ఏక్ హై. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. Joy of sharing is caring and helping.